for Tradingview. This is for high volume candles. And the purpose of the script is to determine where there's institutional buying and selling in stocks. It's best to work on a daily chart. And let me show you how I use it. So first, let's turn on the indicator. Once we turn on the indicator, you can see that there's various colors for the candles. And that's all based on the settings. So in the settings menu itself, what you can do is you can look and see what colors are going to represent level 1, 2, and 3, which I have at 120, 200, and 300. So what we're going to do is we're going to show more lines on our chart. So you can see right here, price is somewhere up around 328.64, and we have all three levels turned on. So right now, what we're going to do is we're going to increase the max lines to display. And once we do that, we can start seeing support and resistance lines close to price. I like to start with two, one above, if possible, and one below. Right now, you can see at 328.83, there's a high right here. So price is going to have to bring some volume into it to be able to move up. And if we do get a move up, what we might want to see is something that looks like this, a breakout above, a retest of this level, and then a breakout to a new high. So that would be optimum for this trade in Google. So what else can we see in Google? If we increase the max lines, we can start adding more lines. And you can see in the settings, you have an option to prevent the overlapping zones. So you can toggle those on and off. And you can see this level right here, which you could see that was represented in an overlay of two different high volume candles. So I would do with this is I would look towards price pulling back, and this being a level where price has printed some high volume candles before and possibly bounce from here, or what we could see is a failure, maybe a move up here and then a move down the test 309.60 level. If that breaks, the next level I would look at would be 303.81. And if that failed, well then, of course, it's going to bring me all the way down to 286.63. So this is just what I've worked on in the past couple months. I fully tested it, and it's available through my website at savvytraderpro.com. You guys have a great trading day.